peruse the aisles at your natural grocery store and pick the ones that are right for you. They taste amazing and are a great way to soothe and comfort. Lemon balm. That one is so yummy. Nettle tea. Great for allergies, hives, histamine, itchy skin. Drink a cup every day. This throat coat tea has slippery elm, licorice root, marshmallow root. Those slippery herbs help to increase the mucosal lining, not just in the throat, but throughout the whole intestinal tract. Super healing for the gut. This belly comfort tea tastes like peppermint and is great for anyone who is having gas, bloating, or stomach upset. Echinacea Plus is a must-have for cold and flu season with elderberry and echinacea, great for boosting the immune system. This Buddha Calm blend has St. John's wort, which is amazing for mood lifting, and other herbs that are great for sleep. But don't use St. John's wort if you're on antidepressants. There are tons of other ones you can find for sleep support. Some of our favorites are this Sweet Rose by Organic India and lemon balm. Also look for things like cranberry tea, which is great for UTI infections, hawthorn and hibiscus. This one is great for high blood pressure, and things like this PMS tea.